Let's learn how you can restore missing chat history on Messenger. So let us open our Messenger application. Now you want to click on three horizontal lines in bottom right corner and then click on settings, this gear icon. Now you want to click on privacy and safety, and then under this security section you want to click to end-to-end encrypted chats. Now you want to click message storage. If you don't have this enabled, you want to enable this first. So when you have enabled it, you want to click on more options and then just enable this auto sync. Now you can create a backup and you can restore chats history on other device from now on. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.